Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Thank you to all the new subscribers. So let's make pakoras today because it's a rainy day and what better to have than some nice hot pakoras. So let's get started. Here I have some of the basic ingredients. Everything will be listed down below in the comment section. So I have 3 tomatoes, 2 green chilies, and that extra large one is not spicy at all. I just had it in the fridge, so I'm using it. I have 1 medium potato, 2 medium onions, bunch of cilantro, some spices, and I'm going to use a little bit of baking powder, which is definitely optional. You don't have to use that, but we like our pakoras to be a little softer, not too crunchy. So first start by chopping or slicing, not chopping, slicing your potato. I like to do the onions very last because they make me tear up a lot. Next, I like to slice my tomatoes. You don't want to dice them. You should slice them like that. And I don't use a chopping board. I just do it by hand. And then I'm going to go ahead and chop up the cilantro. Then come the chilies. Now I slit the chilies in the middle and then slit them again once more, and I chop them up very thinly. And after doing that, go ahead and slice your onions. Now, you never want to dice or chop your onions in any other way for pakoras. At least that's what my mom said. So then I'm going to go ahead and throw everything into a mixing bowl. And next, I'm going to add the spices. And after the spices, I'll add a little bit of the baking powder. I added about a quarter of a teaspoon. You can add a quarter of a teaspoon to half a teaspoon. And I'll add about 2 cups of chickpea flour, which is also besan. Now I like to sift my besan because always there's a lot of little clumps of besan. So go ahead and sift it. Now I added 1.5 cups at first, and I don't add any water to it at all. Now if you're gonna go ahead and fry them right away, you can do that. But I like to wait about 15 minutes and then sift the other half a cup because the onions do release quite a lot of liquid. So here I added the other half a cup, and in total I added 2 cups. So this is the perfect consistency, and I did not add any water to this at all. So heat up your oil, and we're gonna go ahead and throw the mixture in there. I like to use my hands. You can use a spoon if you prefer, and make them any size that you like. We're going to fill the whole pan, and once they start to turn a little bit golden on one side, go ahead and turn them over with help of a fork. Once you turn them over, go ahead and wait a few minutes before the other side is nice golden brown, and then we're going to go ahead and turn them over once more and cook them for additional minute or so, and then we're going to go ahead and take them out. At this point you can see the other side is completely cooked, and now I'm going to turn them back over to the first side and let them cook for additional minute before I take them out. So here they are nicely done, light golden brown. Take them out on a paper towel to absorb all the excess oil. At this point, when I'm taking the pakoras out, I like to lower the heat to low because if you put your next batch in and the oil is really, really hot, the pakoras will cook from the top, but they'll stay uncooked from inside. So lower the heat and start throwing your next batch in. Once they are all in there, you can turn the heat back up to high again. And here my pakoras are done, perfect golden brown. I like to serve them with some chutney. The recipe for the chutney is also posted on my channel. I hope you like what you see, and if you do, go ahead, share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more great recipes.